The question is, a body initially at rest and sliding along a frictionless track from a height h as shown in the figure just completes a vertical circle of diameter AB is equals to d. The height h is equal to, so here we need to tell the height in terms of diameter. So let the total energy is conserved. So the total mechanical energy at start is equals to total mechanical energy at B. So mgh, that is total mechanical energy at start, is equals to half m v b square plus m g d. This is total mechanical energy at start and this is total mechanical energy at B. Now the minimum speed required to complete the rotation is equal to under root of radius into g, which is equals to radius can be converted into diameter, so it will be under root of dg by 2. Now if we put the value of Vb from here into this, so we get mgh is equals to half of m d by 2 g plus m g d. And after solving this equation we get h is equals to 5d by 4. So option 3 should be the correct option. Yes, option 3 is the right answer.